Namaste to everyone. In the previous session we have completed about types of reflection and also we have seen what is the difference between virtual and real image. Anyway, we didn't see the formation of real image, children. In our next topics we are going to cover that because it is formed with spherical mirrors that we are going to complete. Now in this session today we will see about the formation of multiple images. So in the previous session I already have seen about regular reflection, right? So in that you have observed that whatever the color you have, whatever the size you have, whatever the distance you have from the mirror to the object, same you got, size, color and also even distance from the mirror to the object, whatever the distance is there, same distance you got there also. So there you are able to see only one image. In a plane mirror you will be seeing only one image. You may be wondering why I am asking like this. In a plane mirror, in one mirror we can see only one image, no? If you are seeing in mirror, you are able to see only one person there, only you are seen. Along with you somebody is standing, that somebody will be seen. But here we have a topic known as multiple images where we can see many number by using only two mirrors. So let us start that. Just observe this picture. Here I have a small bottle, nail polish bottle. I have only one, but I am seeing here two images. So you will say answer like, as we have two mirrors ma'am, we can see the two images. But now what I'll do, I'll use the same two mirrors, but I'm getting three images. Can you see in the picture? Yeah, three images we are getting. Now what I'll do, I'll take only one object, but I am getting four images. I didn't take four mirrors, children, once observe. I have taken only two plane mirrors, but with that only I am getting four images. Now you just observe in the next one, I am getting totally 7 images. What is this? Only with two plane mirrors, these many images we are getting. What is the reason for this? Now I got the answer here. Whenever you are taking the plane mirror and making some angle between the two mirrors, we will be getting some number of images that depends on the angle. The formula, simple formula we have here, number of images is equal to 360 by angle of the plane mirrors, angle between the mirrors, minus 1. Now I am taking the first picture you have seen, when I am making exactly perpendicular to each other, 90 degrees we made. So the number of images we were getting 3. 360 by 90, that is 4, 4 minus 1, 3 images. When I take the angle as 60 degrees, how many we will get? 5, yes. How? 360 by 60, 6 minus 1, 5. So the number of images depends on the angle between the plane mirrors. So here in this small table you can see the number of images, how many we are getting, what is the angle present between the two plane mirrors. So this activity you can try it at home, just to take two plane mirrors, but see that they should be laminated, you should not get any hurt. You can do this activity at home also, children, and you find out the number of images. Now just observe this one. What is this? So many number of colors are there. What are these all? Actually here only very few small glass pieces are used, or you can take any other transparent or any other colorful transparent objects here. Just a few are taken, but many a times you are getting these images. So this is also based on the phenomena of multiple images formation. This multiple images we are getting not with the two plane mirrors, children. We are using here three plane mirrors. So what you do actually here, just observe this picture. Three plane mirrors you have to take and make it a triangle. As I am showing here in the picture, make it like a triangle. Okay, and cover from outside, from externally you cover it with a paper, a thick paper, and one side you just put a small hole so that light enters into that. From the other side you can observe that, or otherwise you can put a transparent sheet on the other side and from one side a small hole through which you can see that. So there only with few glass pieces or transparent objects, colorful transparent objects, you are able to see these many number of multiple images. Okay. So kaleidoscope the name of this instrument. With the kaleidoscope, we can get the multiple images. As we are having 3 plane mirrors here, many a times only one object is there, but that will be seen many times here. Images, many number of images are shown here. That is why we are getting this colorful picture. Okay, so try to do this kaleidoscope also.